Hi there, my name's Tina from Puyallup Volkswagen. Thank you for joining us again. And today we're going to be talking about how to keep good value in your car for a trade-in. So now we're here in service talking about how service will affect your trade-in value. So if you are not getting service at a reputable dealership, it's not going on your CarFax. And when we buy your car from you, that's what we're going to want to see is those service records. So people that get more for their trade-in are going to be the people that have the best service records. And to access those service records, what we do is we look up your CarFax, which every customer who purchases a car from us will also look up those CarFax and see how many services are done and want to make sure that they are in a safe vehicle. Okay, so we went over service. Now I want to talk about the interior of your car. So to maintain a good trade-in value, you're going to want to make sure the inside is taken care of just as much as the under the hood. You're going to want to make sure there's no stains, no spills, no dog hair, no dog smells, no cigarette smells. All of those things will affect the value of your car. All right, another huge secret that many people don't think of when they're trading in a car is when to trade it in. KBB's values update every 7 days. So every 7 days your car is depreciating. Also, the best time to trade in and get something new is before the new year. Another thing that the majority of our customers choose to protect the value of their car is, one of them is Repel Shield, and it's basically a coating over the car that's going to protect the paint for you. So you're not going to have oxidation, you're not going to have, water spots, things like that. So it's going to protect the paint for you. Another one is Chip Protect. That goes on the hood of the car and helps repel those chips that are coming up off the freeway. So now that I've talked to you all of that, there is one final thing that I want to go over, and that is, how many keys do you have for your car? I know most of us bring in our second key, put it somewhere where we don't know where it's gonna be, or a kid had it and lost it. But having a second key is gonna give you an additional $300 to $500 of value to your car, because that's what it will cost us to make a new key. Ultimately, we are buying your vehicle from you. We wouldn't sell you a vehicle that had dirt and grime and messes in it, so why would we want to buy your vehicle that way? Definitely use these tips to make your car as great as it can be when you come to trade it in. My name is Tina. Don't forget to come in and get a value on your car and see what we can do with your trade-in. Please feel free to like and subscribe to this video.